You have just been given a promotion to plant manager of a manufacturing facility that has been in operation for many years. This facility utilizes a tremendous amount of inventory throughout every process to meet customer demand. In doing this, they have witnessed a decrease in both profits and customers. By implementing lean principles throughout the facility, you will be able to increase both your profits and your customers. I am Craig McCormick, and I've been involved in lean manufacturing for over 10 years, and I will teach you the lean principles. In the book, Management, by Thomas Bateman and Scott Snell, it defines lean manufacturing as an operation that strives to achieve the highest possible productivity and total quality cost effectively by eliminating unnecessary steps in the production process and continually striving for improvement. The basis of lean manufacturing is waste reduction. In the article, The Starting Point for Lean Manufacturing, it states, in general, the goal of lean is to reduce waste and shorten the timeline from when an order is received until that time it is produced. The first form of waste is waste of overproduction. Producing parts or finished goods that the customers do not need is costly and is unnecessary. Waste of material movement. Moving materials from one point in the building to the next and then moving them back and inefficiently throughout the building will add labor cost to your facility. Non-value added items, processes in the facility will hurt your labor costs. According to the article Lean Principles by Jerry Kilpatrick, 3 of the non-value added processes are reworking, deburring, or inspecting processes and products. Eliminating these processes through engineering them out of the process will save costs for the company. Lastly, waste of unnecessary movement. In the book Developing a Lean Workforce by Chris and Rick Harris, wasted movements include pushing reset buttons, walking long distances to retrieve parts, reaching extra long distances for a part, and handling parts twice. Continuing to use unnecessary movements in the production process is ineffective and inefficient. Key components of lean manufacturing include Kanban systems. In the article Kanban Systems, it states a Kanban system allows a company to use just-in-time production and operating systems that allow them to minimize their inventories while still satisfying customer demand. The next component is continuous flow. In the article, Improve Your Productivity with 3 Lean Manufacturing Principles, it states, in manufacturing, stopping a production line is a costly, wasteful proposition. Manufacturing facilities work hard to ensure that the flow of the material on a production line rarely stops. Continuing flow through the facility of the parts and of the components in a cell will make you a more efficient company. Changeover reduction. Now that we're not making parts that are unnecessary and the customer doesn't need at this point, we will reduce changeover time so we can more efficiently make the parts as they are needed and ship them to the customer. The 5S system. According to the website Quality Training, the 5S approach is a targeted list of activities that promotes organization and efficiency within a workspace. The 5S terms are sifting, sorting, sweeping, standardizing, and sustaining. You have a workstation. You have a cell. You need to do a changeover. A non-lean facility will have tools strung out through the entire cell. You don't know where this tool is. You don't know where that tool is. By using a 5S system to sort, sift, sweep, standardize, and sustain, you can have your tools in a set spot, ready to use, that will reduce your changeover time and help efficiency and costs in your process. We will also look at the benefits of lean manufacturing. Lead time reduction focuses on the reduction of the time from receiving an order to the time we ship an order. We will improve productivity by making the jobs and the movements more efficient. That will reduce the cost of labor for each product. We will reduce inventories by removing raw materials and finished goods from the facility that are costly. We will improve quality by making less batches of product and keeping them in the building. We will reduce the chance that a large section of inventory has quality issues, and will improve your quality as a company. We will reduce floor space by making cells more efficient, and we will use this space to bring in growth and more products. Therefore, we have talked about waste reduction, which is the basis of lean management, which includes overproduction, material movement, non-value added processes, and unnecessary movements. We have covered the key components of lean manufacturing, which include Kanban systems, continuous flow, changeover reduction, and the 5S system. And we've discussed benefits of lean manufacturing, which include lead time reduction, improved productivity, reduced inventories, improved quality, and reduced floor space. So when you get promoted to plant manager, use these lean principles and you will improve your plant.